Today's meditation, I am kicking it old school, like I said in my private Facebook group, and I hope that you join by clicking on the link in the video description. It's a meditation for anxiety and also for giving yourself exactly what you need. Because too often when we're not feeling well or we're just feeling out of balance, off kilter, we listen too much to what other people say we should be doing. And we don't honor our own desires, our own soul's calling to say, this is how I want to be taken care of. So today's meditation is not just for anxiety, it's for giving yourself exactly what you need and how you need it. And I wrote a bunch of mantras for you, and they're very long. So I'm going to read them out loud to you first, just in case I don't remember them when my eyes are closed and I'm doing the meditation. I'm going to give them to you right now. And you can absolutely copy and paste them from the video description and write them on little pieces of paper and tuck them into your journals or your calendars, just to remind yourself that these are the types of messages that you should, and I use that word specifically, but also like take it or leave it, that you should be, giving yourself, because it's good to give yourself love. So the first one is, I'm doing my best in this moment, and I promise to do my best in the next moment. I accept, acknowledge, and allow that my best is always changing. I'm doing my best in this moment. I promise to do my best in the next moment, but I accept and allow that my best is always changing. It's going to look different from day to day, moment to moment. The next one, what my heart and body desire is valid and worthy of my attention, my approval, and my loving cooperation. And then finally, I am allowed to feel everything. I'm allowed to feel good. I'm allowed to feel bad, right? I'm allowed to decide how to take care of me. I am allowed to decide how to take care of me. Putting my laptop away, putting my notes away. We're just going to go into this organically. This is a meditation, so I want you to take time now to prepare yourself to move into a space that is perfect for careful contemplation, for quiet contemplation. It doesn't have to be perfectly silent. I have lots of noise going on outside of my window, and that's fine. My environment serves me just as it should. But right now, what I'd like you to do is to just take a big inhale and letting go exhale with me. Inhale. Exhale, let go. Your breath is the perfect messenger from your inside to your outside, from your subconscious to your conscious. This is what's going on right now. This is where I am. So don't try to change your breath during this meditation. Just acknowledge it, allow it to be what it is. It will change on its own as you observe it. If it feels good for you right now, go ahead and close your eyes. If it doesn't, then you can pick a point across the room or past your nose down on the floor just to place your soft gaze upon. I'm going to close my eyes. Sit up nice and tall. If that's available to you, you can rest your hands downturned on your knees or thighs or upturned to receive energy. If you're feeling extra anxious, sometimes it feels good to just close off a little so you can keep your hands downturned to kind of seal up that space. And whether your eyes are closed or just gazing softly, bring your attention to your easy, effortless, and natural inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Follow your breath as it enters in through your nose or your mouth, travels down your throat into your chest, filling your belly, and then observe as it exits your body. Listen to the tone. Acknowledge the temperature. Is it warm? Is it cool? Is it cool? allow everything to be easy. You're just watching right now. You don't have to be an active participant. You're just observing that breath. Maybe you want to allow every exhale to allow you to drop further into your meditation. You might feel just a little bit more relaxed with every exhale. Maybe you're just giving yourself permission to sit in this space, to check out of whatever was going on before. Whatever it is, this exhale allows you to settle. Inhale. Exhale and settle. I am doing my best right now. I'm showing up for myself in meditation. Let those words be your own. I am taking care of me. I am doing my best in this moment. I promise to do my best in the next moment. I accept, I allow, and I acknowledge that my best is always changing. I accept, I allow, and I acknowledge that my best is always changing. Inhale. Exhale, settle, drop in. My best is always changing. My heart, my body, they speak to me. Their desires are valid and worthy of my attention, my time, my loving cooperation. My body, my heart, my spirit, they call out and I listen. Inhale. Exhale, drop in and settle into those words. I know what's best for me. I know the medicine that will heal me. I know that it's okay to feel all the feels, good, bad, happy, sad. My heart and my body speak to me. They tell me what I need. And I decide what medicine, what action works for me. It's all valid. It's all good. Inhale. Settle into those words and that feeling. I am doing my best in this moment. I know which medicine works for me. All feelings are valid and worthy of time and attention and acknowledgement. All messages from my heart and from my body deserve my loving cooperation, my attention, my acknowledgement. All I can do, all that's required, is for me to be my best in this moment. And I promise to be and do my best in the next moment. And I understand and allow and accept that my best is always changing. My effort is real and loving and correct. If it feels good for you right now, I've had my hand placed over my heart. Just take one or both of your hands and place them over your heart space, right over your chest. Connect your words or the words in your head to this space, the energy that lives right there in your chest, in your soul center. And with your hand or hands placed over your heart, either repeat these words out loud or just think them silently to yourself. I accept and allow all feelings. I decide what's right for me. I choose my medicine. I am worthy of my love and my attention. My body, my energy, my soul's voice calls out to me and I listen. I honor my truth. I honor these messages. I honor all feelings because I love me as I am in this moment. Bring your attention back to your breath. As we exit this meditation, we're going to take 3 big inhales and exhales together, intentional now. Waking up your body, waking up your spirit, but feeling more relaxed, more connected, more centered. You are in this moment, feeling your best, doing your best, showing up as your best self, knowing, acknowledging, accepting, and allowing that your best is always changing. But right now you are here on purpose and in perfect form. Inhale with me. Exhale, release. Inhale, sitting up just a little bit taller. Exhale, smile a little. One more time, smiling on the inhale too, in through your nose. Exhale and slowly flutter open your eyes. So that was a little longer than I intended for myself, but it felt so good. I wanted to stay. I hope that it was good for you. I like to affirm 3 times because it really seals it in. Like once for just saying it, once for, just acknowledging that I'm saying it, and one last time to really feel it. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you want to continue the conversation about meditations, talk to me, get more insight about whatever is going on in your life, connect with a beautiful community, please click the link in the video description to join my private Facebook community. I am there every single day. I have lots of good news coming up, lots of fun things that are on the horizon, including my wonderful 12-week Block to Bliss program that's starting May 20th and that I hope that you'll join. I'm going to be talking a lot about that. All good things are coming, and definitely, absolutely leave your comments below so that I can say hello and have a little conversation there too. But all those links are in the video description. And I will see you on Wednesday with another live talk. Every Monday are meditations, and that's it. Enjoy your day. I'm about to go enjoy mine. See ya.